There's
what?
a chance I ain't taking one of those.
You saw a stream. Do you want to look in both?
Oh, I want that one.
I'm eating it now. Take a bite. It's really good.
This is like the Simpsons donut.
That's what I just said. Check in there as well. There's more.
It's an empty bag.
Yeah. Sorry.
Who are these from? Did you buy them?
No, my management for hitting 1 mil.
Damn!
Cute, right?
You know what you got me when I hit a mil?
I wasn't with you.
Yeah, because it was so long ago.
Shut up! You bitch!
I want this one.
Take it then. That's good. Do you think there's jam in there?
I hope not. I don't know. I don't know what I want now.
It's just really freaking good. Like, really good.
Hey, look, your chat laughing at you.
No, laughing at you for being an idiot.
No, they're laughing at my
No.
wit.
Verdict? There's definitely something in it as a whole.
I made that, I think.
No, look, there's something in there.
Background looks alright, you know. Although if the camera was there, it'd look better.
I look better though from this side.
Can confirm we're laughing at you.
Yeah, you.
No, you.
No, you.
Simon Scranamore. Alright. I don't want to because I'm going to drop them.
Yeah.
I was about to grab them all, but...
He realised it was really a
it's
flimsy
really
box.
not... Yeah, no.
This is a really good donut. I've never had donut time before.
Really? Mad. Welcome to the good life. What happens when you get a million followers?
Shut up.
You should see what happens when you get to 2.
What happens?
The air becomes sweet.
I hate you. Get out. There's drinks by the door, by the way. Front door, not that door. They can't even see him. You can't even see him and he's still being stupid.